Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The fun in the garden continues while we try to wake up Gina to get her out of that big garden box. There's literally nothing I can do until we get her out of there from her hibernation. We eat a little bit of a strawberry salad, get some positivity, and we build a chicken coop today. I can't even believe I did it myself. It's unbelievable. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I am an actress and author, and I love to do lifestyle videos like these. Come join us. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video. So the garden bed to the left has our desert turtle in it. She hibernates there. She lives there year round. And I'm trying to encourage her to come out. It's not quite warm enough overnight yet. Maybe in another week or two she will come out. I am very anxious to finish planting my garden, and she's making it difficult. There is this little cabbage or broccoli plant. I think it's cabbage plant. And with the heat, it's just too hot right there. I'm a little bit afraid to take it out because I don't want to disturb Gina, really. I want her to come out on her own. You're really not supposed to pull her out of her hibernation. She's underneath that log that you see there next to where I'm messing around. And I'm just doing a little bit of moving around, as I said, to encourage her to move. I'm not only watering the roots on purpose, but to try and help get that plant out easier. But I find that when you put water on your turtle, it does urge them to come up and out of the ground. Now, she is awake. I've seen her moving. And I've seen her look right at me. And I'm pretty sure she still doesn't like me and refuses to come out. Packaging. If you need space fillers for drawers, you could trim them up and shove them in the drawer, and then nothing slides around in drawers. So on the box, this said that I needed 2 people to put this together, but you know me. I figured I can do it. So I'm trying to get this done and put this together, and nothing is going to stop me. Not even the need for an additional set of hands. So this little piece right here, they don't really tell you what it's for. You're supposed to somehow know, and I did not, but I did obviously get it in the correct spot. And it actually helps connect the additional cage part where they can kind of roam around down below. This ramp, which is going to ultimately be on the inside of this coop, was killing me. I could not, for the life of me, get that thing together. It was driving me bananas. And I didn't want to give up. So, moral of the story, don't give up. Even if those little screws keep falling out onto the ground, which is completely just dirt and they blend in, don't give up. Because eventually I did end up getting that ramp attached. It may be slightly uneven, but it's not noticeably uneven. And honestly, I'm okay with that. This ended up in a cute spot. I'm definitely going to have to put something underneath there because there is a gap, because it does come right atop. If you guys have any ideas, I'm open to suggestions. Just let me know what I should do underneath this thing to deter predators, but I think I did a good job. So excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications of new videos. Bye.